right, y'all, we're gonna make some crock pot barbecue chicken thighs. We're gonna put 4 skin on bone in chicken thighs in here. Just smash it on in. It'll fit. You just gotta make it. All right, once we have that, we're just gonna lather it with a whole bunch of barbecue sauce. We've got Bonnie and Junior's House of Barbecue we're using today. That spice got in my throat. Oh yeah. Can never do too much to me. You want it lathered and really sitting in there. All right, once you got that in there, we're gonna pour in about 2 tablespoons worth of apple cider vinegar. Maybe a little more. We're gonna throw in 2 heaping tablespoons of minced garlic. About 2 tablespoons worth of honey. Woo doggy. We'll do a little salt. Want that flavor, y'all. And some pepper. And some smoked paprika. Yeah, get it nice and covered in there. And finally some onion powder. I love onion powder. All right, once you got all that, we're gonna throw in just a 1/4 cup of chicken broth over all that. This is gonna be so good marinating in there for a few hours. Just give it just a gentle stir, kind of get the garlic all mixed in there. Just splashed in my eye. Make sure it's all nice and distributed in there. Once it starts slow cooking, it'll all get mixed in real nice. All right, y'all. So we're just gonna put the lid on here. Make sure it's on there secure. And we're gonna put it on high for 4 hours. And we'll come back and try this baby. All right, y'all, let's check on this honey barbecue crock pot thighs. Look at that.
Wow.
Looks good. It's all bubbling. It's just been marinating in there. We've had it in there for 4 hours. So, moment of truth. Ooh, look how tender too. It's just like falling off. Oh, this looks so good. That is so tender. It's just falling apart. Oh my goodness. I know some of y'all take the skin off because it is healthier, but man, the skin's got to be so tasty. I'm gonna try a little bit with it. That is some great flavor. And so tender and moist. Oh my goodness. Y'all gotta try it.